Running out of YouTube video ideas? You're definitely not alone. One of the easiest ways to find topics people actually want to watch is by using Answer the Public. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find YouTube video ideas with Answer the Public and turn real search queries into engaging video content. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be ready to start researching topics for your YouTube channel. Next, type a broad keyword related to your niche into the search bar. For example, if your channel is about technology, you might search for smartphones, artificial intelligence, or video editing. Click the search button and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public will collect and organize real search queries from users, giving you insight into what people are interested in learning about. One of the best sections for YouTube creators is the questions category. Here you'll find searches starting with how, what, why, when, where, and which. These questions often make excellent tutorial, educational, and explainer videos. When you see keywords that start with phrases like how to, pay special attention to them. These searches often indicate strong demand for step-by-step video content. Next, check the comparisons and related searches sections. These can reveal ideas for product comparisons, reviews, opinion videos, and content that answers common audience questions. As you discover promising topics, save them in a spreadsheet, notebook, or content planning tool. Keeping your ideas organized will make future video planning much easier. Now convert your best keyword ideas into clickable video titles. For example, a search question can become a tutorial, while a comparison keyword can become a review or versus-style video. Once you've collected enough ideas, organize them into a content calendar. This helps you maintain a consistent upload schedule while creating videos based on real audience interest. And that's how to find YouTube video ideas with Answer the Public. Yeah, by using real search data, you can discover topics people are actively looking for and create content with greater potential to attract viewers. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your channel.